Hi guys, welcome to Duchess Management. So I did this unboxing video and I've been getting a lot of questions on how to use it. So this video is going to show you how to use it. Welcome to my channel, Duchess Management, the channel of social media tips, social media equipment, how to use social media, to mention a few, and unboxing. So this is the headset. You already see the unboxing, so I'm just going to show you how to use it. Okay, so look at this place on your headset. We have the charging port, we have the mic section, okay, and then we have the buttons. So this is the buttons. That's the power on button. This is the next button, or increase volume, reduce volume, and change. Okay, so to turn it on, what we have to do is to press the power button. This is a closer shot of it. Okay, so you press the power button down for just 2 seconds and you see this light comes up. When it comes out, it just simply means that it has come on and you will hear power on. So the next step is to connect it to your Bluetooth, and that's very simple. So to pair and connect to your Bluetooth, all you have to do is to go to your phone and turn on your Bluetooth, search for the name of the headphone and click on connect. It automatically connects. So we're going to do this another way. We press power on and we want to use the cable to listen to music. You connect the cable, you go ahead to plug it to your phone, and it automatically connects, and then you listen to your music. Okay, I hope this has been helpful to use your headset.